It is time for package from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. And in today's video it's time again. It's time for some package from China. The first thing we are going to talk about is the box itself. It comes in this very nice colorful box and 268 games, 8-bit classics. And some basic explanation of the system itself. It works on 3 AAA batteries. Yeah, there is nothing much to the box, and inside we are not finding a portable system because that is already out. And it comes also with this, go away, with this toilet paper manual. Is there English? Yeah, there is English. Here we have a little layout, and they call it the installation. The installation, we don't install anything. Here we can see what are the buttons for, because so far I can see, oh yeah, there are some names on it, so who names a manual? Let's check out the system itself. So let's take a close look at the system itself. And for the people who are thinking, why doesn't he do his throwing intro with this portable system? Because we're only throwing with empty boxes in this channel. So the first thing that I'm noticing with the system, it feels quite heavy. I have seen and tried a lot of these cheap systems, and I can tell you most of them were cheap, light and horrible screens. But the weight is not bad at all. So the screen, we're going to need a freaking microscope for this thing. Man, the screen is freaking tiny. But as you can see, the view angle is pretty damn good. So that is what I call a positive side of a tiny screen. Because a lot of these cheap ass, yeah, let's say $10 systems have a tiny screen and a horrible view angle. So that is one improvement. Here at the left we are finding the D-pad. I can tell you it feels very nice. At the right we are finding the A and B and all the other buttons. A lot of these systems just have A, B and turbo buttons. I really love the turbo buttons on the 8-bit consoles. Here we have the sound. And for a cheap system it's pretty damn loud. This is the start button, reset, and go, yeah, if you reset, no. If you reset it, you go back to the main menu, and every time you need to choose the language. At the back we're finding one speaker, mono speaker for the sound, and it's pretty damn loud. Yes, no rechargeable batteries. That's a little bit of a bummer, but yeah, what can you expect for the money? I know I'm always saying that. Here we can find the power on and off switch. There's no AV out. Oh, please shut up. So there's no AV out, so it's a pretty damn basic system. So yeah, let's check it out, what kind of games are it and how are they running. So let's take a close look at the game list. I'm seeing a lot of, oh, that went a little bit too fast, but I must say a lot of good games like Galaga. Wait, why do I see Mario again? Is this like the old multi-cards? No. But check it out why there was a double game on it. Maybe the other one is the classic one from the arcades, and the other one the Adventure Mario. But yeah, what you can see already here is one big mess of games, like always with these cheap systems. A lot of crappy games, a lot of, yeah, let's say homebrew games, and there are some good games on it. But yeah, if you want to play a certain game, you need just to scroll a couple times to your list. Hey, here we have Mario game again. And yeah, remember your name and your number. Yeah, I see a lot of games, a lot of Mario, so there are a lot of games on it. What I really like about it that he's scrolling too fast to this menu. I don't see that very often with these cheap systems. Alright, that's the list. Let's play some games. Let's play some Mario. Turbo Mario. I've got my life! I'm done with it. Sounds not bad. I can still do my moves. Whoa. Whoa, that sound is pretty damn screwed up. Yeah, sorry guys, I needed to play it. Needed to play it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm on the roll, man. I'm on a roll. Oh yeah, going great. Oh no, not falling for that one. Come on, come on. Oh! I love turbo buttons. Oh, didn't work. Ah, what I already thought. That Mario Bros is the outer version. Let's see if I can still play this game. It's a long time. Oh crap! No, run for it! Ah! Oh crap, what did I just do? I'm not going to make it. Never played this game on my original NES back in the day. Oh. Is the game just glitching out or what? No, I think it is normal. Woo! Okay. Real classic one. I played this game a lot as a child. So let me know what you think of this game. I think this is a really fun and basic pinball game. I love pinball. So for the final conclusion about this Pocket Player 268 Games 8-bit system, I must say, for the money we can't complain. Let's be honest, because you're paying, let's say, $10, and what you're going to get is a really, I must say, decent pocket player. It feels really good, like a quality system. It's got some good games on it. Yeah, the screen is freaking tiny, but got a very good feel angle, and that is what I don't see very often on these systems. So yeah, maybe do a little bit of a comparison in the future, but yeah, this is what we're going to get with this system. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell, and see you next time. Bye bye.